Hey everyone! Ever heard that onions can help your hair grow? It might sound a bit unusual, but trust me, onions are more than just a flavorful addition to your meals. They have a secret superpower when it comes to hair care. Imagine transforming your hair into a luscious, healthy mane using something as simple as an onion. It's all about harnessing the natural goodness packed inside this humble vegetable. Onions are not just a culinary staple. They are a powerhouse of nutrients that can work wonders for your hair. From boosting hair growth to fighting dandruff and preventing premature graying, onions offer a wide range of benefits. This guide will walk you through the amazing ways onions can support your hair health. It's time to unlock the secrets of onions and give your hair the natural care it deserves. You might be wondering, why onions? Well, onions are rich in sulfur and antioxidants, which are essential for maintaining healthy hair. These elements help strengthen hair, improve blood circulation, and protect against damage. Whether you're dealing with hair loss, thinning, or simply want to enhance your hair's natural beauty, onions can be your go-to solution. So, are you ready to dive into the world of onion hair care? We'll explore everything from the science behind their benefits to how you can easily incorporate onions into your hair care routine. Let's get started on this exciting journey to healthier, more vibrant hair. Onions are packed with sulfur, a powerful mineral that plays a crucial role in hair health. Sulfur is known as the beauty mineral because it helps strengthen hair strands and promotes elasticity. It's a key component of keratin, the protein that makes up your hair. By incorporating onion treatments into your routine, you're essentially giving your hair a sulfur boost, which can help reduce breakage and promote healthier growth. Another fascinating aspect of onions is their ability to improve blood circulation to the scalp. When you apply onion juice or water to your scalp, it stimulates the blood flow, ensuring that your hair follicles receive more oxygen and nutrients. This enhanced circulation can lead to better hair growth and a healthier scalp environment. It's like giving your hair a nourishing spa treatment from the inside out. Onions also possess antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, which can be beneficial for those dealing with scalp issues. They help combat bacteria and fungi that can cause dandruff and other infections. Additionally, the antioxidants in onions play a vital role in preventing premature graying by neutralizing free radicals that damage hair cells. Clinical studies have even shown that onion juice can be effective in treating patchy hair loss conditions like alopecia areata. By applying onion juice regularly, many people have experienced regrowth in areas where hair was previously lost. It's a natural remedy that's gaining popularity for its efficacy and safety in promoting hair health. When it comes to onions, not all are created equal. Each type of onion offers unique benefits for your hair. Let's start with yellow onions, the most common variety. Yellow onions are rich in sulfur and antioxidants, making them excellent for promoting hair growth and reducing hair fall. Their strong aroma is a testament to their potency in delivering nutrients to your scalp. Red onions, on the other hand, have higher levels of quercetin, a powerful antioxidant that helps fight inflammation and protect hair from oxidative stress. This makes red onions particularly effective for preventing premature graying and maintaining vibrant hair color. If you're looking to enhance the natural shine and color of your hair, red onions might be your best bet. White onions are milder in flavor and scent, making them a great option for those sensitive to strong smells. While they contain less sulfur compared to yellow onions, they're still beneficial for nourishing the scalp and strengthening hair strands. White onions are also known for their hydrating properties, which can be helpful for those with dry or brittle hair. Choosing the right type of onion for your hair needs can make a significant difference in the results you achieve. Whether you opt for yellow, red, or white onions, each variety has something unique to offer. By understanding the specific benefits of each type, you can tailor your onion hair care routine to suit your individual needs and preferences. Making onion juice and onion water at home is simpler than you might think. Start by selecting your preferred type of onion. Peel the onion and chop it into small pieces. For onion juice, you'll need a blender or a juicer. Blend the chopped onions until you have a smooth paste. Then, use a fine sieve or cheesecloth to strain the juice into a clean container. If you find the smell of onion juice too strong, you can add a few drops of essential oils like lavender or rosemary to mask the odor. These oils not only reduce the smell but also offer additional benefits for hair health. Store the onion juice in a sealed container in the refrigerator and use it within a week to ensure freshness. To make onion water, boil the chopped onions in water for about 10 to 15 minutes. Allow the mixture to cool before straining out the onion pieces. The resulting liquid is your onion water, which can be used as a hair rinse. Like onion juice, you can add essential oils to onion water to enhance the scent and boost its hair care properties. Proper storage is key to maintaining the effectiveness of your onion preparations. Always store them in airtight containers and keep them refrigerated. This helps preserve the nutrients and ensures that your onion treatments remain potent and ready for use when you need them. Before applying onion treatments to your hair, it's important to do a patch test to ensure you don't have any allergic reactions. Just apply a small amount of onion juice or water to your inner wrist and wait for 24 hours. If there's no irritation, you're good to go. Next, start by sectioning your hair into manageable parts to ensure even application. Using a cotton ball or a spray bottle, apply the onion juice or water directly to your scalp. Gently massage it in with your fingertips to stimulate blood flow and make sure the treatment is absorbed. Leave the onion treatment on your scalp for about 30 minutes to an hour. This gives your scalp enough time to soak up all the nutrients and benefits. After the recommended time, rinse your hair thoroughly with lukewarm water. You can follow up with a mild shampoo to remove any residual onion smell. For best results, use onion treatments 2 to 3 times a week. Consistency is key to seeing noticeable improvements in hair growth and scalp health. And remember, patience is crucial when using natural remedies. It may take a few weeks before you see significant changes in your hair. However, with regular use, onion treatments can lead to stronger, healthier hair and a nourished scalp. Creating your own onion oil at home is a great way to intensify the benefits of onions for hair care. To make onion oil, start by finely chopping onions and mixing them with a carrier oil such as coconut or olive oil. Then, you'll want to heat the mixture on low heat for about 30 minutes, allowing the onion's nutrients to infuse into the oil. Once you're done, just strain the oil to remove any onion pieces and store it in a clean bottle. Onion oil can be used as a pre-shampoo treatment. Simply apply it to your scalp and hair, leave it on for an hour or even overnight, then wash it out with a gentle shampoo. This oil is excellent for deep conditioning and nourishing your hair from root to tip. For added benefits, you can infuse your onion oil with other ingredients tailored to your scalp needs. For example, add a few drops of tea tree oil for its antifungal properties if you're dealing with dandruff. For extra moisture, mix in some aloe vera gel or honey. These ingredients not only enhance the oil's effectiveness, but also provide additional care for your hair. Experimenting with different infusions allows you to customize your onion oil to target specific hair concerns. The possibilities are endless, and with a little creativity, you can create a hair care solution that's perfectly suited to your needs. Onions are a versatile solution for a variety of hair and scalp issues. If you're experiencing hair loss or thinning, the sulfur content in onions can help strengthen hair follicles and promote regrowth. Regular use of onion juice can stimulate dormant hair follicles, leading to thicker and fuller hair. Dandruff sufferers can also benefit from onions' antimicrobial properties. Onion treatments help combat the yeast and bacteria that contribute to dandruff, leaving the scalp clean and flake-free. Additionally, the anti-inflammatory effects of onions can soothe an itchy scalp and reduce irritation. For those struggling with dry or brittle hair, onions provide much-needed moisture and nourishment. The nutrients in onions help repair damaged hair and restore its natural shine and elasticity. By incorporating onion treatments into your routine, you can improve the overall health and appearance of your hair. Premature graying is another concern that onions can address. The antioxidants in onions help protect hair cells from oxidative stress, slowing down the graying process. While onions can't reverse gray hair, they can help maintain your natural color for longer, keeping your hair looking youthful and vibrant. When using onion treatments, it's essential to conduct a patch test to avoid allergic reactions. Apply a small amount of onion juice or water to your skin and wait 24 hours. If there's no irritation, you can proceed with full applications. To minimize the strong smell of onions, consider adding essential oils or rinsing your hair with apple cider vinegar after treatments. Avoid getting onion treatments in your eyes, as it can cause irritation. Always wash your hands thoroughly after application. Consistency is key to achieving results, so aim to use onion treatments regularly, at least 2 to 3 times a week. Patience is important, as natural remedies take time to show their full effect. Incorporating onion treatments into a healthy hair care routine can maximize results. Maintain a balanced diet, stay hydrated, and avoid excessive heat styling to support your hair's health. If you experience persistent hair or scalp issues, consider consulting a dermatologist for professional advice. By following these tips, you can safely and effectively use onions to enhance your hair's health and appearance. With time and dedication, you'll be on your way to achieving the luscious locks you've always wanted. Congratulations on taking the first step towards unlocking the hair growth secrets of onions. With this guide, you now have the knowledge and tools to transform your hair care routine using natural, effective methods. Onions may be humble vegetables, but they hold the power to rejuvenate and nourish your hair like no other. We encourage you to try the onion method and see the amazing results for yourself. Keep track of your progress, and don't forget to share your experiences with others. By embracing the natural benefits of onions, you're not only taking care of your hair, but also making a positive choice for your overall well-being. Remember, every journey to healthier hair is unique, and consistency is key. Stay patient and committed to your routine, and you'll soon notice the difference in your hair's health and appearance. Whether you're dealing with hair loss, dandruff, or simply want to enhance your hair's natural beauty, onions can be your trusted ally. So what are you waiting for? Grab an onion and start your hair care journey today. Let's celebrate the power of nature and achieve the beautiful, vibrant hair you deserve. Happy hair growing!